Hey everyone, I'm excited to walk you through Plumo AI, which is a modern project management and AI digital employee platform with powerful low-code, no-code capabilities built to replace tools like Jira and Confluence for teams and individuals. So today I'll show you how Plumo AI can boost your software development workflow by 20x. See the first look. On the left panel, you will notice the project launcher, the project tab, AI agent tab, and other tabs. Let's jump straight into creating a new project. You can choose from our ready-made templates or simply let AI generate an entire project for you. So today I'll choose the AI route, creating simple hospital management system. I'm just describing what I want in the prompt. Next, I can choose which AI account and model I want to use. Plumo AI supports multiple accounts like OpenAI, OpenRouter, and more. So team can plug in their own keys and manage uses separately. So now I'll hit generate button. Watch this. The AI instantly creates features, user stories, and tasks all written with clear description and clear acceptance criteria, exactly the way human software developer or your AI coding agent would understand them without any confusion. It even generates full project documentation like product overview, technical plan, all features and user stories fully linked, so you can open anything directly from this doc. Now let the AI coding agent build this project. I'm using Cursor as my AI coding agent. I've already added the Plumo AI MCP server detail. Here you can see all the project I have access to. I'll ask the agent to start building a few core features of the hospital management system, and just look at this. Cursor started coding automatically. It starts picking tasks one by one, writing codes, updating progress, and closing them as it finished. So inside Plumo AI, your project tasks are moving automatically from to do to in progress, under testing, and completed statuses, right? And every status taken by the AI coding agent is logged in the comment section, so you can see exactly how each feature was built even later. And now see, your hospital management system with basic feature is ready. Like you can log in and just add the patients like with basic details. Also you can add the doctors, you can add the appointments. Now let's jump to my favorite part, Ask Plumo AI Agent feature. This is where anyone on the team, where you are a project manager, developer, designer, or founder, can chat directly to the Ask Plumo AI agent. For example, show me my a project details, right? And say just open it. It will open project for you. So you can ask anything. The AI replies using your organization private project data. So you start asking anything, it will start giving you all the answers. Now let me show you something even more exciting. Plumo AI includes ChatKit, which works with both N8N AI agents and OpenAI agents. So let's set up a personal assistant N8N agent. Okay, so I'll choose the Plumo AI agent node and some credentials and give AI agent name and done. Now come to Plumo AI agent ChatKit and start chatting instantly. Ask send an email related to resource hiring, and it has sent. So this is how you can do it, and you can even share this ChatKit to your team internally, and it has also visit to share to your website. Now let's create OpenAI agent. It's just as simple. Need only workflow ID and deployment version, which you can take from your OpenAI agent builder and paste the details, and boom, now your OpenAI agent is ready to interact and ask anything, whatever you want to ask. Now even more super exciting news is coming to Plumo AI. Autonomous AI digital employees. What if your team could clone itself? What if you had digital employees that work 24/7, think independently, and even attend meetings for you? And you can create unlimited clones of yourself or your teammates. each one trained for a specific role like AI project manager, AI scrum master, AI sales executive, AI hiring assistant, AI support agents, AI technical architect, anything your organization needs. Also, you can give them voice, face, and presence. So your AI digital employee can speak with a natural human like your voice, appear on live video using your face, show up as a hologram, and chat like a real teammate, and join calls, stand-ups, and client meetings confidently. It's not just a chat. Even you can give them phone numbers. They can call client, receive calls, handle support, follow up on sales. Also, you can give them remote machines. They can run demos, operate softwares, and execute automations. They don't just talk, they can take actions. So let's take an example for AI Scrum Master. Imagine this: your AI Scrum Master joins your daily stand-up. It speaks with developers, understand progress, and resolve blockers. It collaborates with real human and other AI employees too. Yeah, so now thank you so much for joining this demo of Plumo AI, and we are building a world's smartest project management and AI digital employee ecosystem. Thank you.